Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at the euro dollar. Okay, so we can see that this is in a strong bullish trend at the moment on the daily time frame. Target are these highs here. Just mark that up as a daily, and then we'll go down the time frame. We're going to be looking for a an entry point. Okay, so targeting these highs. Have a look at it on the 4H. Okay, 4-hour time frame, rallied. We've had this retrace. Now we've got this break of structure here. Upside BOS. Okay, we had a shift here above this high. Now we're breaking these highs back in here. I'm looking for an entry point. If we pull, in fact, I'll pull it from this low over here. Okay, we've got this red candle that we could mark up. I'm going to pull my swing. Now we'll have a look at these swings. We've got low to high, retrace, low to high, retrace, and I'm looking at Traders, Anthony here. I'm looking at the euro dollar 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we can see, if I scrunch up the chart, okay, this is in a bullish trend, and on the daily you would see rally, retrace, expansion, retrace, and now we're looking at this leg to the upside here starting to shape up. Now we have a break of this previous trend. Here we have a shift. Okay, so we can see this high here breaking structure to the upside, higher highs, higher lows, 4-hour time frame trending up now. Okay, so we can see that clearly. This is bullish, and I'm always looking for the opportunity to get involved on retraces. So in fact, we'll go down to a maybe a 1-hour time frame, get a bit closer to it. I'm having a look at these price swings. Well, I mean, we've got these lows over here that have been taken out, double bottom, spikes down, takes out these sell stops under here. Nice rally. I would pull a Fibonacci from this low to high here, and I'm looking for an entry point around the 50 to the 61.8 fib zone. We do have an imbalance that this could look to trade back through. This thin candle here on the 1H. I'll mark that up. Market's looking for liquidity, and it's looking to rebalance. We've got a ton of liquidity resting under here in the form of sell stops on the back of these traders bullish. Okay, so they've got their stop losses resting all through here under, and we've got this imbalance range through here that could be a target. Now we have a look further down, we can see this thin candle here, another imbalance that could be a target. So you want to be a little bit careful. Don't underestimate just how far this could pull back. So my entry criteria is any price swing, I'm looking for 50% or more to get involved in this buy down in here at a discount. Right, so my entry point would be anywhere between the 50 and the 61.8. Let's just go with the 61.8 at the high of this imbalance. Something like that. Stop could go below the imbalance. That's a little bit tight. Or you could pull it back down a little bit just under this candle body here if you wanted to. Now targets, let's just go out and see what we've got on the 4H. Here's a target. Grab that. These highs here coincides with this high here. Okay, 4H, target 1, or target Yeah, target 2, I would say. Let's just mark that up as a 4H. And if this continues, well, we'll just look left, and I'll pick up the high here. That's something to consider. These candle body low over here, something like that. All right, so we've got some targets lined up. 4H. This one here again, 4H. Ultimately, that would be nice, and we are looking at what? There's a 4R outcome. Go back down to the 1H. I'd be looking to pull my stop loss to break even at around, we'll just fix up these drawings a little bit. Stop loss to break even. All right, here's the thing with this. Price swings and a trend. Okay, so we get swing low, swing high, retrace, swing low, swing high, retrace, swing high, swing low, retrace, and on it goes, right? Once we break this high here and we come back down, retest and fail, that's when I would be looking to pull my stop loss up to better than break even. Something like that. That would work for me. And yeah, we'll go for a 4R outcome here. So better than break even. Look, you know what? You could even look at 1R. Let's just have a look at this. Trend-based fib extension is my risk-reward tool here. I'll show you this actually. You can set it up yourself if you like, but click on price, click on the direction of the trend, come back and click on price, and then wiggle it around until the stop loss lines up, and we've got our risk-reward tool. There's the settings. You can pause the video and take a snapshot, -1 there, and all these numbers goes on and on and on. That's about it. So that's the trend-based fib extension that I've converted into a risk-reward tool. Yeah, and then it goes on. Okay, so you can measure that. What else can I say about this? I'm bullish, the euro-dollar. That's my setup. That could be a little bit deep. You know, you could look to set it up in between these two imbalances. Again, pull your stop loss down, and that reduces your your risk reward to 3.39, something like that. Stop loss at least under these candles here. I mean, look, theoretically you could go under this imbalance, and if it gets taken out, then so be it. But yeah, you never know. You know, it can get a bit volatile, so just give it a little bit of room to breathe. That's my take on the euro dollar, guys. And look, there's a couple of things here. This is speculation, higher risk. Right, now, if you want to get a bit more particular about how you get involved with this, we're heading into the London Open. We're going to be heading into the New York Open later on today. Here's the thing, all right? Let's just go down to the 15M, and you could wait for, all right, you've got this marked up. You know your levels. This is currently trading up. Okay, so we've got this 15-minute time frame trend going on here. Right, now we've got this lower high, possibly it pulls back, right? So what I'm really wanting to see is this setting up. And then we want to see it range sideways for a bit. And price action plays out a little bit like this, gets a bit of a range, fake out, shake out, displacement, retest and fail, and we're off. All right, something like that. And then, you know, you want to get involved. I mean, I don't know where this is going to actually occur, this range, you know, when it trades back down. Look, see, there's a range, okay? So you want to see it trade south, trade sideways, and then wherever this here sets up, and you see the volatility after, or at some stage, fake out, shake out, and rally retrace, and you want to see these higher highs, higher lows kicking in, and then get involved at the retest and fail. I want to keep this simple. I don't want to complicate this. The retest and fail of the range, this range here. All right, and then there's your entry point right there. I hope that makes sense. But it depends where, if you're in front of the chart, it depends where this sets up. So it could be here, could be a little bit lower, could be a bit higher. All right, so just watch it, if you're in front of the charts, and that's a play. So I think that's about it, guys. I would love you to comment, definitely share your thoughts. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.